Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A3 Core and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we are. Now we have to focus on useful features category. At the second place we have pictures as preview option. So this is our mirror effect here. By using this button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And we have also short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So of course, to make it work we have to remember to change back camera to the front one by using this button from the right to take selfies. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.